If you're trying to delete a custom object that used to have a lookup connection to another object, you might encounter this issue here where it says your attempt to delete this object can't be completed because there is still a connection with that other object. So then you do the right thing, you go to the other object, you delete that field, and then you come back and try again, and you get the same message. It can drive you crazy. And the simple solution is when you delete a field on an object, it doesn't get completely deleted per se. It's kind of like a half delete. It definitely disappears from your layouts and you can't add new data, but it does leave it in the background for you in case you suddenly decide that you actually want to keep that field. So in this case, I've got a custom object called computer, and I had a lookup to this object from the contact object. So I came here, I deleted it, and you can see that it no longer appears, but I'm still getting that error. And to complete this process and actually be able to delete it, you have to come over here to see an option called deleted fields. So if I click on deleted fields, I'll see this option, which is the field that I had, which was a lookup to the computer object, etc. And now from here, you can either undelete, which will put it back into the object and available on your page layouts and ready for action, or you can press erase, which is kind of like a hard delete when you're thinking about computer terms. So this is not the actual recycle bin like you can search for in the app launcher. This is it's a similar concept though. So it does delete it in a way, it takes it away from the page layout and away from the object manager, but it doesn't completely delete it until 15 days later. But you can speed that process up by clicking erase. You say, yep, I definitely do want to permanently delete this. Once that's been done, I can now go back. I will go back to my previous page and then I'll try this step again. Let's find it, computer. If I press delete now, it should have no issues and it should proceed. So now that's been deleted and it's disappeared. And the issue was that even though I did delete the lookup field connected to that custom object, I hadn't done the hard erase, which it needed. Otherwise, you got to wait 15 days, in which case you'll then be able to do it. Hope that helps.